Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create FTP account in your cPanel. So first of all you have to log in your hosting account. So I'm going to log in my hosting account, add to hosting, then I'm going to click on the login button. So now I'm going to log in using my email address and password. So after logging your account, then you can see like this interface, same as if you are buying your hosting account from add to hosting. Then click on the cPanel login. So after login your cPanel, you can see your interface like this. Then just search at here FTP. Then you can find FTP accounts. So I'm going to click on the FTP account. So now I want to create a FTP account for a website. For example, I wanted to create a FTP account for this website, and first of all I have to put a username. So I'm going to put my name. Then I have to put a password. So to create a password, I'm going to add new password. So I'm going to add this password, and my login username Faisal, and this domain. So password again. Now going to click on the create FTP account. So my FTP account has been created. Now I can access my files by FTP software. For example, I am going to open my FTP software Filezilla. Then I'm going to file edit site manager, not actually site manager. I can directly log in from here. So first of all I have to put here host name. So let me show you the full process. So this is my server post name, and Faisal password port. Just click here, then I can access my website files. So thank you for your time to watch these tutorials, and I hope now you can create your FTP account yourself and access your files by FTP software like Filezilla.